Welcome back to Customer Tech Talks. I'm joined by American Airlines, who've been using PowerApps and Teams to connect their frontline workers, driving more consistent on-time departures. But before we jump into the interview, let's take a look at the video.
At American Airlines, our primary mission and purpose is to care for our people in life's journey. Be it connecting them with memories old or new, or open a world of possibilities to achieve their goals. In order for us to take care of our customers in their life journey, our team members need a reliable technology platform to power every mile of our journey, both on the ground and in the air. With the pandemic, this past year has been quite a challenge, and despite that, we've come together and collaborated to win in all possible ways. Achieving operational excellence is no small feat, with the number of flights that we fly and the thousands of employees committed to safety and security of our customers. Embracing Azure Cloud Platform helped American navigate the headwinds of innovation and digital transformation. Our partnership with Microsoft empowers team members so that they can be their best during every mile of our customers' life journey.
So I'm joined by Chaitanya Komedy and Shalini Neelan Carville from American Airlines. Great to have you both with us.
Ben, thanks for having us.
Great to be here.
Now, I'm sure many of us have experienced a delayed flight, but I don't think we all appreciate the number of people that go into getting a plane pushed back. Shalini, can you share some of the different aspects that need to happen before a plane can take off?
So Ben, what customers rarely recognize that there are different work groups behind the scenes apart from gate agents, flight attendants, pilots who directly come in contact with them. For example, control center folks, customer service managers, baggage handlers, and crew chiefs, mechanics, and fueling, right? Working tirelessly to make your journey as comfortable as possible. Pure key to success, be it personal or something as complex as airline operation, is communication. And communication at your fingertip improves the flow of information, positively impacting our on-time departure and passenger satisfaction. To deliver this experience, we relied on communicating data through multiple channels owned and operated by respective teams. This was a tedious experience. To remedy this, a unified communication channel was conceptualized. Today, we have a suite of tools using PowerApps and chatbot feature on Microsoft Teams to target business processes and workflows. This suite of tools provides us with collaborative, unified, and a trip-centric data sharing environment to our turn team members of known events and the ones that surprise us. The tool is an integral part of the solution where no team member is truly on their own.
Now, you use PowerApps and Teams to help solve this problem. Chaitanya, can you step us through how you approach this?
Yes, Ben. Charlie said it best. It does take a village. The airport involves multiple work groups with different needs and have multiple personas. When we sat to design the architecture, we went with simplicity. When I see Teams, I don't see a product. What I see is a platform, and a platform that has multiple building blocks. What we did is we built a service layer. This service layer interacts with your building blocks, that is the Teams, through our graph APIs, and more importantly, the various internal and external systems that we have at A. Separating the concerns as an architectural pattern is at the core of our architecture. And what we have right now is a force multiplier, which maximizes what MS Teams has, what PowerApps has, what Azure has, and more importantly, what A has. At the end of the day, right, the overarching goal, the purpose, and the vision is to empower our frontline member, each one of them, and the team to maximize their impact to serve the customer better.
Now, I know with this solution, you really pushed the capabilities of Teams and kind of drove it forward, which means there's probably a lot of learnings that you made along the way. Can you share some of these with the viewers?
Absolutely, Ben. And my Microsoft team members will tell you folks that we did push the capabilities to the limit. They have scars to show. Two big learnings. The first learning is about, I touched about the building blocks earlier, right? The adoption and success on what we would do from here on would depend on how MS Teams commoditizes their building blocks. And next, how we, enhance a service layer to make it more consumable and provide business outcomes. Two completely independent paths. but extremely codependent to deliver the capabilities for the frontline. I talked about the second learnings. It is not technical, but is closer to my heart. Rewriting for digital is extremely difficult. Digital transformation is a difficult journey. Don't make it even more difficult for yourself and for your team by falling into the technology trap. The team, the people are the center of transformation. Have an open dialogue. Have an open dialogue with the team members, with the extended team members, the business, the frontline, and more importantly, have a conversation with the skeptics.
Some really great learnings there. Shalini, as a manager of airport operations, I can pretty much guarantee you have some learnings to share as well. Can you share some from your perspective?
Of course, Ben. Our operation is unique, and the variables, though are not infinite, are pretty high. Right? Our on-time departure, on-time bags are key factor for passenger satisfaction and loyalty, and their likelihood to recommend to family and friends. Think of all the scenarios we deal with every day, day in and day out, right? Oversold flights, overweight, lost bags, delayed flights, catering request, delayed boarding, broken seats, mechanic request, and of course the weather, right? We need a system that can react to these variables and help us take an informed and real-time decision. Using this platform, every scenario, big or small, can be dealt with and remedied quickly and efficiently. Right and timely flow of information is key. Get that constant feedback from the front line and pivot as needed.
Some really great learnings there, not just from the technology, but also the way that you engage those frontline workers during the development and also ongoing through the use of the application. Chaitanya and Shalini, thank you so much for sharing your story today.
Thank you, Ben.
Thanks, Ben. Appreciate you having us. It was a pleasure.
If you want to learn more about PowerApps and Teams, you can check out all the information on Learn It Build. We hope to see you on the next Customer Tech Talks.